gentle hydraulic tipper begins the journey, carefully releasing fresh watermelons into purified water for cleaning. Watermelons begin their journey, guided by precise channels for thorough cleaning. High-pressure water jets meticulously clean each rind, ensuring pristine quality. Emerging from their cleansing, each watermelon begins a journey of meticulous inspection. Skilled American workers diligently ensure only the finest watermelons proceed. Only perfect, pristine watermelons advance to the next stage. Our expert team ensures every watermelon meets the highest standards from the very start. Advanced laser technology precisely measures each watermelon, ensuring consistent quality. Precision scanning identifies each watermelon, preparing them for tailored processing. Precision machinery expertly positions each watermelon for its transformation. A razor-sharp blade descends with surgical accuracy, initiating the cut. The newly cut halves are gently moved along the conveyor for further processing. Our skilled teams meticulously inspect each watermelon, ensuring only the finest quality moves forward. Every watermelon undergoes rigorous inspection, guaranteeing perfect ripeness for consumer satisfaction. Any imperfection is swiftly identified and removed, maintaining our unwavering quality standards. Only the finest, perfectly inspected watermelons are cleared for the next stage of production. Watermelon halves arrive, precisely positioned for automated pulp extraction. Robotic scoops meticulously descend, beginning the delicate separation. Our advanced robotics ensure maximum yield with unparalleled precision. Precision machinery expertly begins the delicate process of watermelon pulp extraction. With remarkable accuracy, the machine extracts a perfect hemisphere of sweet, red pulp. The pristine pulp is then prepared for its next stage, ensuring peak freshness and quality. Rinds are carefully separated, minimizing waste for a sustainable future. Advanced machinery precisely separates watermelon seeds, ensuring only pure pulp continues its journey. Precisely engineered screens allow the seeds to fall through without harming the delicate watermelon flesh. Below, a steady stream of separated black seeds is collected, ready for proper disposal. The now seedless watermelon pulp smoothly exits the drum, ready for the next stage. In the Advanced Quality Control Lab, experts ensure every batch meets stringent purity standards. On the light table, every fiber of pulp is scrutinized for purity. Through diligent examination, even the smallest imperfections are identified and removed. De-seeded watermelon pulp begins its journey into the innovative cold press system. Pressure builds slowly, extracting pure watermelon juice without any heat. Skilled operators meticulously monitor every stage, ensuring pristine quality. The pure essence of watermelon, perfectly extracted and ready for the next stage. From pristine watermelons, the pure, vibrant juice begins its journey. Every drop of juice is a testament to quality, carefully extracted for purity. Fresh watermelon juice begins its purification journey, flowing into the advanced pasteurization system. In a sterile environment, a skilled technician meticulously monitors critical temperature and flow rates. Precision adjustments ensure optimal pasteurization, safeguarding the juice's quality and freshness. The perfectly pasteurized watermelon juice emerges, ready for its next step toward bottling. Precision begins as sterile bottles enter the automated line, ready for pure watermelon juice. Sealed for freshness, each bottle is meticulously capped, preserving the juice's natural goodness. Ready for distribution, each bottle embodies the meticulous care of our automated production. Precision robotics ensure every bottle is perfectly sealed, preserving freshness. Labels are applied with absolute precision, ensuring brand consistency and perfect alignment. The automated line ensures rapid, high-volume production, a testament to modern manufacturing. Skilled hands meticulously prepare de-seeded watermelon pulp for the dicing process. Watermelon pulp enters the dicing machine, ready for precise transformation. Precision blades descend, transforming the pulp into perfectly uniform strips. The strips are then cross-cut, creating perfect, consistent watermelon cubes. Each perfectly diced cube signifies meticulous precision, ensuring premium quality. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee quality, ensuring only the finest cubes proceed. The continuous stream of perfect cubes moves towards its final destination. Skilled American workers meticulously examine each piece, ensuring only the finest quality watermelon proceeds. Every vibrant cube undergoes rigorous scrutiny, ensuring uniform size and peak freshness. Dedicated hands swiftly remove any imperfections, upholding the highest standards of production. Across the line, every individual's focus collectively upholds the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. Precision starts here, as perfectly diced watermelon cubes are prepared for automated weighing. Automated systems ensure each container receives the exact, fresh portion of watermelon. Each sealed container, a testament to freshness, moves swiftly towards distribution. Precision guides each succulent watermelon piece into its container, ensuring perfect quality from the start. Each container undergoes a final visual check, guaranteeing only the best proceeds to sealing. With expert care, every pack is precisely positioned for its journey to final seal and delivery. Precision Machinery applies a clear, protective film, sealing in the freshness of each watermelon. Precision Robotics efficiently package fresh watermelon juice into branded six-packs, ensuring quality and speed. At the final station, the expert begins the meticulous inspection to ensure every product meets our stringent quality standards. Each label is meticulously checked for accuracy, reflecting our commitment to clear and honest product information. Every detail matters in upholding the superior quality and safety our customers expect. Precision and efficiency guide every finished pack to its final destination. Precision Robotics carefully package each perfectly cleaned watermelon for shipping. Sealed for freshness, each package guarantees pristine delivery from farm to consumer. Automated precision ensures perfect stacking for secure transport. Carefully stored,